Which is the only union territory to have a high court of its own? Answer Delhi. Which of the following words does not appear in the preamble of the Constitution? Answer patriotic. Who is the Constitution head of India? Answer President. The concurrent list contains. Answer 52 subjects. Right to Information Act came into being in the year. Answer 2005. The National Commission for Women was set up in. Answer 1992. Joint parliamentary sessions in India are chaired by the. Answer President of India. The right to vote in election to a parliament is a. Answer political right. The head of the Indian parliament system is the. Answer President. Who is regarded as the father of all India service? Answer Sardar Patel. The power of judicial review in India is. Answer implicit. The first session of the Constituent Assembly was held in. Answer New Delhi. Who is commonly known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The minimum age to qualify for election to the Lok Sabha is. Answer 25 years. The Government of India Act 1919 was known as. Answer Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. The minimum age required to become a member of Rajya Sabha is. Answer 30 years. The ministers are individually responsible to. Answer President. Ashok Mehta Committee recommended for establishment of. Answer Mandal Panchayat. The National Human Rights Commission is a. Answer statutory body. The salary and allowances of the governor and charge to. Answer consolidated fund of the state.